Using Qualtrics for Institutional Research, presented by Christy Bailey. Qualtrics is an experience management tool that allows users to create and distribute surveys in order to gain insights into a specific topic. Anyone can use the application, and there's a desktop and mobile version, so you can create and edit on the go. There are so many reasons to choose Qualtrics over other survey builders, but some of my favorites are the customizable survey builder and report creator, and the user-friendly interface that makes it easy for anyone to use. You won't even need any training or professional experience, but there are helpful tutorials available if needed. Qualtrics is a great tool for higher education professionals and for collecting data on education-related topics. Forward Pathway released an article in 2024 detailing some of the benefits of using Qualtrics in higher education, and within that article, they linked a separate article from Quinnipiac University that shows how the institution uses Qualtrics to gather and assess data related to enrollment statistics and post-graduation trends. California State University also used Qualtrics when they conducted a study to find out where improvements were needed in their online engineering program. They surveyed over 700 respondents using Qualtrics, and they used a combination of quantitative and qualitative questions to highlight challenges that their students were facing. You can see here some of the charts they created using the Qualtrics report builder. They really make the data easy to understand, and it's visually pleasing and professional in appearance. A group of researchers at the University of Connecticut uses Qualtrics to survey kids as a part of their youth development outreach program. They're actually collecting longitudinal data, so they use the application regularly, and their young respondents are able to navigate the Qualtrics surveys with ease. Here you can see one of the questions they asked was regarding the grade that the kids were in, and they were able to create a nice visual representation of the age demographic of their respondents. One of the most helpful features of Qualtrics is the survey builder itself. There are so many different options for question types and response types, and the dashboard that you see here keeps everything organized and easy to find. Another helpful feature is the report builder, and you'll see here that same high level of customization that lets you choose how you want your data displayed. And you can change literally any aspect of the report, and of course you can adjust the colors to match your own style. For this report, I chose bright colors to just enhance visual clarity and to make it more interesting to look at. If you find yourself stuck or needing some extra help or inspiration, Qualtrics has a ton of resources available. There are a number of step-by-step guides, there's a blog with helpful articles, and there's even tech support that can answer questions for you through chat or by phone. I currently work as a research administrator for a medical school, but I aspire to conduct my own institutional research in the future. Once I make that transition, I'll be able to use Qualtrics to create surveys like the one I created here, where I wanted to learn how respondents felt about graduate specialty degrees and if they thought they were useful. I was able to distribute this survey to my colleagues. It was anonymous, but I could see how respondents answered, and I was able to review the data in real time as the surveys were completed. And I was able to customize a report that actually helped me to understand my sample's viewpoint. I hope you found this presentation to be helpful and insightful, and I hope that you'll try Qualtrics out in the future. Thanks for watching.